Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Ujjwal. What's your name?
Melanie. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You from?
Yeah, I'm from India. I'm from the northern part of India. My state name is Uttar Pradesh.
I see. I'm from the United States.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm from the middle of the country. We're mostly farmland.
Oh, what? Yeah. So, what is the city name?
Um, I live near Omaha. That's a large city. I can type
Oh,
it.
yeah.
My city only has 3,000 people. I'm sorry, 7,000 people in it. Omaha has half a million. That's our largest city.
Oh my God, that sounds great.
Is your city very large?
Yeah, yeah, it's large. Yeah,
How
my
many?
city. Like I don't know about how many people live in my cities, but my city is large. Actually, it is the district also. So
Mhm.
it is a city and district also. So yeah, city is too large and more than maybe I think 10,000 to 10,000 plus more people stay here. So yeah, it is a large city.
That is a big city. Do you
Yeah,
like
yeah,
living in a big city?
yeah, yeah. I like to big city, but I don't want to rush. So, but
I
in my
understand.
locality, there is no type of rush. So I'll stay, very keep mind. But actually, yeah. So city is large, but I don't want to rush.
I
But,
see. Yes. So why are you learning English?
Yeah, actually, like I want to brush up my confident level and I want to be fluent in English. So that is why I joined Cambly. Once I saw an ad on YouTube that Cambly is an app where you can practice one by one on the native speaker. Yeah, so I
Mhm.
thought I should join the Cambly. Yeah, so I'm here.
Have you been on Cambly for a while?
No, I've been optimizing this application for 1.5 months, like
Oh
one,
gosh,
yeah, 2 months maybe.
that's not
Yeah,
very long. Is it helping?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. It is helping. Yeah,
Oh,
like
good.
initial, like it was difficult to understand the different accent, but now I can understand all the things. So yeah, it
That's
is
good.
helpful. Yeah.
Good. Have you been speaking to only Americans, or do you talk to the British or Australians or anyone else?
Yeah, usually like I do grab the American US teacher because whatever I see, like the US accent is too hard in compare with all the countries. Yeah, but sometimes yeah, I can select the Australian teacher and the South African teacher. But yeah, mostly I do select the American teacher.
Because the accent is harder?
Yeah, yeah, because of the accent.
Oh, good. Good, good.
Yeah,
That's interesting. Oh, do I hear a puppy? Do you have a dog? I heard
yeah,
something.
yeah, yeah. I have a dog, so he's barking
What?
right now. So, yeah, I think some kids are roaming there, so he's
Mm-hmm.
barking. Yeah,
I see. Is it a big dog or a little dog?
yeah, it is like 8. His age is 8, 8-year old.
Big or little?
Yeah, the size is just medium,
Hmm.
not too big.
Medium. I see. In
Yeah, yeah,
between.
yeah, between.
Is it a grown up or a puppy?
It is not a puppy. Now it is a dog.
It's a dog. I have
Yeah.
5 cats.
Oh my God. I think so. Are you a dog lover?
Can you say that one more time?
Are you a dog lover?
I do like dogs, but I don't have any.
Okay. And I'm a
I
dog lover.
Do you only have one?
Yeah, I have only one dog, but sometimes I do feed some stuff to the street dogs. Well, I love street dogs
Oh,
mostly. Yeah,
that's very kind of you.
yeah.
I volunteer at a pet shelter. I used to be able to volunteer with the dogs and the cats. Now they make you pick one, so I volunteer with the cats.
Oh, we have a cat.
Yes, at a here, I can type the word at an animal shelter. It's a place for
Yeah,
animals
yeah.
that need
I
homes.
heard about that. I heard about that animal shelter. Yeah.
Yes, I volunteer there. And they used to
Okay.
let people work with the dogs and the cats. And now they make you choose one. So I work with the cats.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, I liked working with the dogs too, so I kind of missed that. They had some beautiful dogs.
That's good. Okay, so like I have some questions. Like I got some questions from the Google
Sure.
uh at noon. Yeah, so maybe discuss about over there.
Say that one more time. Just the last
Yeah, I'm
sentence.
saying maybe
I'm sorry, I couldn't understand.
maybe
It's
I'm
cutting.
saying
It's
maybe
cutting.
discuss.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying this. So
Yes. What are
like
your questions?
yeah, first question is like what would you like to be in your next birth? Like
Hmm.
a human or bird, any animal. So what would you like to
Maybe a
be?
cat. Maybe a cat.
Oh my god,
I don't know. Some cats
that's
don't
a
have good
different.
lives, but mine have very good lives.
Oh,
So maybe somebody's house cat.
yeah, yeah.
How about you?
Because yeah, actually, I would like to be human as now because the work I'm not doing in this birth. So yeah, I'll try to do this work in the next birth, do that work in the next birth. So obviously,
Mhm.
I would like to be a human in my next
Yes, I
birth.
think that might be a good answer. Maybe being human is better.
Yeah, human is better.
Maybe.
Even yeah, like they can express their feelings, but
Mhm.
about the animals, they can't express their feelings. So it is too hard to survive like without feelings. Yeah, without speak.
That's true. My cats express their feelings very well. They
Oh.
they can look, mad at me or happy or I know what they're feeling.
Your cat is trained.
Maybe, maybe.
Okay, so now we are gonna do second question. Like,
Okay.
what is the most precious gift which you have ever had?
The most precious gift I've ever had?
Yeah,
Yeah?
is there any?
Um, hmm. Well, my children probably.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is the gift of every mother.
Yes, I think so. I think so,
Yeah,
yes. Yes, I have 2 children, so I would say them.
yeah, that's good.
Yes, how about
Okay.
you?
Actually, my precious gift is my phone. Actually,
Your phone?
I yeah, actually, I was in my 11th class. So my father told me, no, I was in my 10th class, 10th grade. So my father told me, when you will pass your class 11, class 11th grade, so I'll give you a smartphone. And my all friends had phone that time, but I had not. So my father told
Oh.
me, yeah, but my father told me if you will pass like 11th grade, so I'll give you the phone. And then
Mhm.
yeah, I passed,
Was
and
good.
yeah, I grabbed this.
Yes, was 11th grade hard?
Yeah, 11th grade is too hard because like the standard of ninth and 10th grade, but the 11th stage is different from the previous grade. Like all the course of 11th
Mhm.
is probably different from the previous courses. So yeah, 11th is probably hard.
Oh,
Yeah,
I see. It's completely different.
yeah,
I see.
it is. Okay. Okay, so next question is like yeah, if let us consider if you were a superhero, so what power would you like to have?
Oh my. Um, that's a hard one. What superpower would I like to have? I'd like to
Yeah.
talk to animals.
Oh my God, that's a very nice answer.
How about you?
Yeah, like this is the one what you told me exactly. And
Yes.
like the one I used to watch a lot of cartoons, animation movies,
Mhm.
where the people had superpowers. Like they
Mhm.
can relocate by the single door. They can relocate anywhere. And yeah, and I'll work for my Indian government if I have a superpower, and
Mhm.
I can catch all the thieves who like who are harassing to the normal peoples. So these
Mhm.
type of superpowers I want to have.
So you could catch all the bad guys.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you watch superhero movies?
I used to watch, but I stopped because that time I was thinking that now the time has came to improve my English. So yeah,
Mhm,
like I started to watch the American English movies to improve my
mhm.
English. So I stopped that.
Oh, I see. Yes. You might be able to find some of those movies in English. The Avengers are good superhero movies.
Yeah, I found like a lot of movies, maybe yeah, it about adventure and sometimes I found this about the superheroes.
Mhm.
Like I forgot the name. Yeah, The Big Bang Theory. It's an American
Oh,
movie.
yes.
Yeah, but
Yes.
the accent was too hard, so I stopped. I stopped this
Uh-huh.
after one episode. Yeah,
Yes, yes, I understand. I
I
actually
couldn't.
watched that show. It's funny.
Yeah, it's too funny. So, but I stopped because the accent was too hard. I couldn't understand, all the things.
Yes, I can understand that. Mhm. That
So,
yes,
like,
that would be hard one.
is this a normal accent which the Americans, Americans speaks together?
Different Americans have different accents. In the South, the accent would be very different than where I live, which is the Midwest.
Yeah, actually, I've made a lot of teachers of Americans, but now I'm talking to you today. So, I feel that our speech,
Oh, I'm
like the
sorry.
previous teacher. Yeah,
I can speak slower. Thank you for telling me.
yeah. No, actually, like you are a teacher, so if you'll interact with new students, so maybe they can't understand your accent. So now you are speaking too fast.
Okay, I will speak slower. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, thank you.
I have had students who told me I speak too slow because I guess they understood, and I've had students tell me I speak too fast. So thank you for telling me.
Okay, so like, what do you do besides teaching Cambly?
Well, I have my kids to take care of. Um,
Okay,
I like to watch TV, read books, take care
okay,
of my cats.
yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, actually the same. Like I like to watch movies and I like to play some offline and online games, like outdoor games and my mobile games. And I
Uh-huh.
like to watch sometimes the web series.
Hmm.
So yeah, and I take care of my dog. This type of stuff I
That's
do.
important.
Yeah,
That's important.
yeah, that's very important.
I'm sure your dog thinks so.
Yeah.
Is your dog a boy or a girl?
My dog is a male. Yeah.
Two of my cats are boys, three of them are girls.
Oh, two are boys, three are girls.
Yes.
That's great.
They're all old. They're senior cats.
Okay. So
Well,
where
one is two. The oldest is 15.
also, like, what is the maximum age of the cat to live for living?
The oldest cat I've ever heard of was 33.
43. Oh my God.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. Normally they live about 15 to 20 years.
So how like your cat survived too much, like 33?
That was not my cat. That was the oldest cat I've ever heard of. The
Oh,
oldest cat on record. That was not
yeah.
my cat.
Oh, yeah. So, like this is about the world record. Like the cat was survived over 33 years. So like it was a world record.
I think the cat was in Britain. I heard about it in I could type this Guinness Book of World Records.
Yeah,
They they record interesting things.
world records. Okay, so it
Yes,
is a
they
book.
record it's a book. Yes, they go around the world and record interesting facts.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. Oh, we have 10 seconds left.
Yeah,
It was
our
nice
time.
to meet you today.
Nice to meet you. Have a good
Have a
day.
gr You too, have a
Bye.
wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.